Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, hi guys, welcome back to Hair 101. Yes guys, I promise you that I'm gonna give you an update on the thing and the treatment, so stay tuned and watch this entire video now. Boom. So alright guys, yes, thank you now for coming in. Yes, I'm gonna seal it off guys. Don't watch nail polish, I need to wipe them off. Yes, and of course, but girl, I have so many things doing. Yes guys, I make sure I secured it in a clean bag, of course, and cover it with an hand towel and make sure that there nothing could, you know, get into the mixture. And guys, it smells heavenly. Look, it look like ice cream. It's not food, it's a hair product guys. When I get my hair ready and shampoo it and then lock it on this guys, I'm gonna show you when I'm putting this mixture into my hair. I'm gonna go, of course, and I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna take out these braids and then put in some other braids. Yeah, because this video a long time, I have another ear in my head, this have to be taking out everything now. I like to give my hair some break, the scalp break from braiding when I do my hair or whatever extension was in. Now guys, as you can see, as I use oil, the base is oil, so you're not going to have it all thick, the consistency. But of course, when I went back and looked at it, it was even more, it wasn't as runny as before if you watch the other video. And this guys, you can, the peppermint, not the peppermint, the pimento seed, OMG, it smells divine guys. Please, the scent of it, so actually it's pimento seed. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it on my scalp, but I'm leaving it now for, so it's going to take maybe a week and 3 days or 4 days. I'm going to put it on my scalp and I'm going to braid my hair, and I'm going to put it also on my hair. Remember, hair and scalp? Yes. So thank you very much for watching this entire video guys. Please, here is a listing of my members. Please go ahead and check them out. Yes guys, and feel free to leave a comment on the outside. Tell me what you think about this video, and thank you very much for your love and support, and tell me what you want to see me do next. Of course, hair care is very important. Tomorrow is shampoo day for you. Please to go ahead and find the shampoo that is best for you. It takes time. Okay, see you on Sunday. Bye.